So hey guys, welcome back again. This is me to do hacks. So it's been long time I have not uploaded any video. So this is this is kind of a video for all of you. So okay. So most of you guys are having problem installing MySQL. So how to install MySQL on your computer? So the easy methods, and you don't have to download from you don't have to go MySQL dot downloads and then download this stuff. Okay. So just go for XAMPP. This is so easy and friendly way. This is very lightweight. Okay, go for download and download one of these version. Download for 64-bit. Download 64-bit. Any of. Okay, so as your needs, you can download any of them, any of one from it. Now, after downloading and installing, try this. After downloading and installing, go for search for XAMPP XAMPP and then run as administrator. Okay, so after running administrator, just start it. And if you're seeing any kind of error that this is MySQL server is not starting, then you have port conflicts. Uninstall any MySQL program that is installed on your computer. Okay, and if you have still error, and if you in previous if you change that port, then come to config, then .mini, come here, and you can see here is actually saying port 3306. If this is not in if the port number is not 3306, then change it to 3306, then save the text file and close it, and again stop it and wait for some time and again start, and you can see that everything is actually going on. Okay, and one more thing, if you have any kind of problem that starting this, then restart your PC. Every error will be fixed. Okay, so after starting MySQL, once again come to search bar, search for XAMPP, and then go here, open file location. From here, open file location. Here we came to the root folder of XAMPP, and then select here is actually MySQL. Click on here MySQL, then you can see name bin folder. Click there and just come to this and type cmd. A command screen will be popped up. For the skin, I'm just making it a bit bigger. So just come here, properties, and change your text size whatever you want, and you can change your terminal color or something. What is this screen text? This is going to be green. This will be like this will give you some like a hack kind of thing, or you can use color A. That's this color change. Okay. Now type MySQL /u. This is root and /p. So what this attribute? This is actually MySQL that is located here. Something. Yes, this is MySQL. We are actually running this program through this command prompt, and then /u is an argument. We're actually specifying the root user by typing /u, and then /p. We have to enter the password for root, and if we enter it, this will ask password, but as we don't have any password, we leave it blank. Then we have to enter password. Okay, now here your MySQL actually is what MySQL server is actually running. So now if you type databases and this, yes, and here is your database, and I am here. This is actually I'm just created a simple as example database, and if you type, you see OLLEG to use college table database change, and if you just type so TA, is college, and then so TABLES table something. Okay, so tables, and this is like one comp table, and if you just type DSC days UMP comp, and then you can see all the column that is inside this comp. Okay, so that's it. That is actually installing and configuring your MySQL in your computer. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon for more new videos and more easy and awesome stuffs. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video. I don't know how long it will take to upload my next video. Thank you for 135 subscriber. Thank you, you guys are awesome.